These Petite vanilla scones are similar to the scones sold at Starbucks. They are the perfect size for a small treat with your morning coffee or an afternoon snack. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All the ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. In a large bowl, add the flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder and whisk together. Make sure the butter is cold and cut into small cubes. Add this into the flour mixture and use a pastry cutter or your hands to mix together until it forms small crumbs. Add in the vanilla pudding mix. Feel free to add in all or half of the pudding mix and whisk together. In another bowl, add the vanilla extract, eggs, and heavy cream and whisk together. Now add the wet mixture to the dry mixture and mix until all ingredients are combined. On a lightly floured surface, shape the dough into a ball. You will then cut the dough in half and flatten each half until they are about 1 inch thick and circular. Using a knife, you will cut the dough into eighths. Place the dough on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Once all the dough is on the baking sheet, brush on some heavy cream. Place the tray into a 425-degree preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. In a large bowl, add your powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and heavy cream and mix until combined. You may need to add more heavy cream or powdered sugar to get the consistency desired. Let the scones cool for about 30 minutes before adding icing to them. Hold each scone's top down and dip them into the icing mixture. Then place back on the baking sheet to harden. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.